body got me drip, drip. Ay, straight up out the objects, I'm a big crip. I got the mop, watch me wash them like detergent. And I'm ballin', that's why it's diamonds on my jersey.
Hey Queendom, it's Glamourqueenrayo and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing my very first Shein try-on haul. I was so excited to order and receive these items to try on for you all. All the links and details to the items that I'll be trying on today will be in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and join the Queendom for more videos like this. I will be bringing a whole lot of fashion, beauty, lifestyle videos to this channel very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So the first item that I got from this website is this Rouge Crisscross Backless Bodysuit. It's ruched at the front and ruched at the back right here, but up top is backless and then it ties up here. I paired it with my Fashion Nova jeans and this bag that I got from Target. Nice snakeskin detailing here.
Your eyes coming like Bible. When them open up, we see heaven. You're the kind that gets my agent. Loving you like Ruche. We life coming like Bible.
So the next item that I purchased from Shein was this Cutout Bodycon Dress. I got this in a size extra large, but I feel like I could have sized down because it's kind of baggy right here because I really don't got that much going on up here. And so if you don't got no boobs, I would advise for you to size down on this just so that it won't be that baggy and it'll fit nicely on you. See, if it was like this, it'll be just a little bit more better than if it would be like baggy and like, you know, hanging down here. This is how it looks at the back. And you can see it's like baggy. It has a lot of space here at the back. But other than that, I like the dress. It's very, very simple and casual. I paired it here with my nice tweed bag from AliExpress. You guys, do not sleep on AliExpress. I don't think the seller on AliExpress is still selling this bag, but I got this in white and I also have a black one. And so this is how it looks.
Hey, trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex so D, your sex so D. You got it, girl, you got it.
So the third item that I purchased from Shein was this one shoulder ring twist tie top. I really, 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 really love this item. This is one of my favorite items from the haul. I purchased it in a size medium and I really, really love how it fits. You see how this tie just comes above my shoulder, and then the other tie I crossed it around my body, and then I tied both of the strings up at the front. And you can just tie it any way which how you want to. I'll show you an example on this side of the screen of how the Shein model tied it. Let me show you guys how it looks from the back. It's like a one-sided shoulder piece, and I really, really love it. And I know you guys will love it too. And so, like I said, all of the items will be in the description box down below. So if you like something, check it out down below.
Work, 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 work. You see me heavy work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work,
y'all know what this is.
I should have seen you was trouble right from the start. Taught me so many lessons.
So the next item that I purchased from Shein was this lilac low back halter top. I got this in a size large, but I feel like I probably could have sized down and got a medium because I'm kind of baggy here due to the same situation. I don't have that much boobies, so there's a lot of extra space and gaps on the side. But other than that, it's nice and cute. I paired it with these white high-waisted jeans. And then I have my tweed bag again.
You be like chocolate, sumo baby check a circulate, sorry baby check a calibrate.
So the next item I got was this Crisscross halter top. Yes, I know guys, I ordered like mad halter tops. I ordered them like they were going out of style, but that's because halter tops are really in right now. And I really love this. This is cute. Nice. You can dress it up or you can dress it down. And this also would have been cute if it was like a two-piece with like a skirt or some pants. So the next item that I purchased was this olive green solid ring halter top. I really like how it ties up 3 times. It ties up at the neck, it ties up at the middle of the back, and then at the lower back. And so that's how it looks at the back. And you can really dress this up or dress this down. You can wear this to a nice girls' night or to the club with nice jeans and heels. I really like it. They have this in multiple colors, so if you don't like the olive green, I think they have red and black as well. Just look at the description box down below for all the links to these items. Some of these items have multiple colors that you can go through and see which one that you think you would like on you.
Yeah.
So this next item that I purchased was this draped rouge satin bodycon dress. I really love this dress for a simple date night look or, you know, like a girl's night out. And I did a transition video with this dress on TikTok, but I haven't posted it yet. So stay tuned for when I post it because I'm trying to be on my TikTok-ish too, guys. So that's going to have the same type of content. It's going to be fashion, beauty, lifestyle, mini vlogs because I think the maximum recording time on TikTok is like 3 minutes. So I'll probably do, you know, like some 60-second vlogs or 3-minute vlogs. So it's really going to be lit on there too. And so I styled it with this nice little black purse clutch. Nice little accessory. And at the back, it's like crisscrossed. And then it has like a nice, you know, detail, how it, you know, complements my back. I love how it looks. It's very beautiful. So the next item that I purchased from Shein was this one shoulder crop top and biker short sets. You can definitely wear this to lounge around or, you know, go to run errands. So this is how it looks. It's kind of baggy, but you can't really tell because it's black. You know, black kind of helps to, you know, conceal fat and things like that. So you can't really tell that it's baggy. So if you want, you could size down on this if you're looking for a more fitting look, but it's still good. Like this. This was a size large.
I'm with me, cause with you I got plenty. Wine so good, all these dudes in a frenzy. Drunk in love, mix the ace with the Henny. Everybody watching, girl, you probably win an Emmy. Look, take vacays though, Turks and Caicos, plus Barbados, DI with pesos. Know me from Range Rover, whips like Jane.
So the next item that I purchased from Shein was this cow print velvet bikini scrunchie set. This is the scrunchie right here to tie your hair at the back, but I'll just be wearing it on my hand, kind of like a bangle. And I also purchased this white brim straw hat, and I paired it with my resort bag from Fashion Nova. I just like how it goes together, and it was like, you know, the perfect look for a vacation look. I love this hat. It's nice and big. This is how it looks from the back. I can't wait to take a pic with this bikini. I love this cow print and the velvet texture here, and then this nice ring chain detailing. I'm really in love with this.
You have the ever blessed good love. I gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like oh. The ever blessed good love. Gotta go with you, and I'm in love with you like oh. The ever blessed good love.
Okay guys, so that was the end of my very first Shein try on haul. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. And be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. They will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Why is that Uber DJ? Pull him his VVS. Okay. Out of my wrist, counting and spin it.